Good evening. Welcome to onlineias.com. You take any competitive examination in India, one subject is considered to be the toughest subject among all, and that subject is Indian economy. That is the reason why we need to pay a clean and clear attention with respect to Indian economy. And especially when it comes to the examinations like civil services preliminary examination, civil services main examination, or any state level group 1 examination, you need to have special attention and special concentration with respect to a subject called Indian economy. That is the reason why I am going to announce a special batch for IAS 2021 preliminary examination where Indian economy is going to be taught by me exclusively in the month of June. And the classes are going to be started from June 1st, 2020 onwards. But what are the advantages here? The advantage is that the subject will be made as simple as possible so that you will be understanding the subject with ease. That is possible only when we are very much thorough with the basics. And learning only basics is not enough. The subject you have to learn with analysis. That is the reason why during this course we are going ahead with the in-depth discussion of the subject along with the analysis. That will give us enough strength to tackle with this subject. First of all, understanding the subject is very, very important. So not reading some topics randomly and going for the examination, we are expected to go very systematically in a particular sequence to understand the whole subject as it is. And the subject is going to be taught in such a way, it is not just only useful for preliminary examination, but this is also going to be helpful for you with respect to the main examination. Kindly see here, as far as these classes are concerned, we are concentrating more and more on preliminary examination. But if you look at the preliminary examination or main examination, at both the level the questions are analytical. That is the reason why without going in depth of the analysis of a subject, it is difficult to clear the preliminary examination, especially when it comes to the subjects like Indian economy. That is the reason why a special batch is going to be announced for this. And all the serious aspirants who are going to write IAS 2021, you are most welcome to join this particular batch. And the whole syllabus I am going to show it to you now. And once you finish up this whole syllabus effectively, then you will be ready for both preliminary examination and main examination. But I repeat, my concentration will be on preliminary examination along with the analysis. Clear? But what I am saying is that once you learn the subject, you will also be ready for the main examination, where you will be practicing writing answers. Clear? So now I would like to open the document and show you the details with respect to this particular batch. Look at this. Look at this. Classes are going to be started from June 1st, 2020. Complete syllabus will be covered. I am going to show you the syllabus. You will have classes every day. Duration is 1 month. I am keeping June month exclusively for Indian economy. Every topic will be dealt with the standards of a civil services examination. You can watch classes each day after 6 o'clock in the evening. And this course is valid to you till you complete your preliminary examination in 2021. It is not just that, but you will also be provided with a downloadable PDF material at the end of the course, at the end of the month. Right at the end of the month, you are going to get the downloadable PDF. And along with that, you will also be getting periodical practice test. Right? So for each topic, I am going to prepare various questions on my own with respect to Indian economy, and those questions will be given to you. You can practice those questions as many times as possible, but only one thing is that these questions are not downloadable. Notes is downloadable, question bank is not downloadable. Please, I am reiterating, and I am making it very, very clear. And with respect to the fee, we are charging a very, very nominal amount, just 5,900 rupees, including GST of 18%, and this is valid up to May 27th, 2020. Meaning, all the serious aspirants who want to join this course, please join by 11:30 in the evening on May 27th, 2020. From May 28th onwards, you can join, but the fee is going to be enhanced to 7080. That also includes the GST. But I suggest you to join before May 27th and make utilization of this particular opportunity. Look at this. You can take the pic of this. You can take the pic of this. So this is my mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. And after the payment is done, please WhatsApp your name, mobile number, mail ID, state and city, along with the subject. Mention very clearly Indian Economy for IAS 2021. And once you join, my dear friends, all our communication will be maintained only through mail. Clear? Please look at this. Fine. So did you take the pic of this? Right. Now I am going to show you the so-called this syllabus that we are going to cover. This is already uploaded in our site. I am going to show it to you now. Look at this. If you look at the syllabus that is given by UPSC in the preliminary examination, they just mentioned economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives. That's it. So, right, in one small line, this has been mentioned. But it doesn't mean that the whole economy will be coming only from here. That is the reason why if you go into the depth of the subject, you will come across with the various aspects. You can just have a look at the topics that have been listed, and all these topics have been uploaded in our site. I am going to show you, right? I am going to show you the complete syllabus now, and at any time you can just look at the syllabus from the site. So please open www.onlineias.com. In the menu bar, please look for IAS 2021. This is the current affairs special batch, and now the fee is 9,500. Please join if anybody is interested for current affairs, which is going to be very crucial. I told you already, 40 to 50 questions are related to current affairs. Right? Now, so come to this IAS 2021, go to this preliminary part and click there. You will be taken to the next page. You will be taken to the next page where you can see Indian economy and various other subjects. With respect to other subjects, I am going to announce in a sequence. First, we are going to deal with the Indian economy. So please click on Indian economy. You can see very clearly classes from June 1st, 2020. You can look at my seminar, and you can, if you click here, you can see the complete syllabus what I am going to cover. Every topic in depth, along with analysis, along with question bank, that will be given to you. Clear? And from here you can pay, scan and pay. After that, you will be in a position to access the classes. And if anybody wants to pay through online, enroll online, just click here. It will be taken to the payment gateway page, and where you will be asked to give your details. If you look at the left side, full name, mobile number, email address, right, will be asked. And after that, you are asked to create your own password. Please remember, email ID is your user ID, password is your password to log into the site. And please remember, this user ID and password, these are your property, and you are expected not to share with anyone. Am I clear? And you are expected to watch the classes only from one device. Don't use more than one device. Because of any reason, if there is a problem with that device in future, please let me know, so we'll make the alternative arrangements. Otherwise, what will happen? You may lose the access. Clear? And if you share user ID and password with anybody else, you will lose the access. Clear? We have a system. That is the reason why please be very, very careful. Right? And finally, what I would like to say, my dear friends, since economy is considered to be a tough subject, learning the subject in a systematic manner is very, very important. So join this particular course. You may be writing for IAS. This batch is exclusively for IAS 2021. If anybody else who is writing any other examination also wants to join, no problem, you are most welcome. Clear? But my focus will be on the standards of IAS, on the standards of civil services preliminary examination of 2021. In those lines, in those standards, in that particular quality, we are going to deliver our lectures. And my intention, my motto is to see that all our students who are joining this course will get benefited out of this, and you will get command over a subject called Indian economy, which is considered to be a difficult subject by many. Fine. So that is the reason why a special focus is being made. And you must be getting a question: when so many subjects are there in the preliminary examination, why are we starting with Indian economy? Because the majority of the people feel that Indian economy is a tough subject. In order to remove that fear, in order to make you comfortable, in order to make you confident, I am going to start with the so-called Indian economy from June 1st onwards. But let me also tell you, from May 25th onwards, we are also going to start current affairs exclusive batch for IAS 2021. And current affairs will continue for 1 year. And please open our site, go to current affairs, go to IAS 2021, click on current affairs and join at the earliest. So this is a great opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Clear? And you are learning the subject wise and within a short period, so you will get the command over various subjects, and you will start feeling confident to face IAS 2021 prelims examination. Fine. So that's all. See you from June 1st onwards in Indian economy classes, and I wish you all a very good luck, and take very good care and take very quick decision. Thank you so much.